textbook, and take it here. And Mastur, do you have any English name? Any author or any famous person in English?
Akam.
Huh?
Akam.
Akam?
Akam. Akam.
Akam, like this?
A-K-O-N.
A-K-O-N. Akam, like this?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, if I will talk about the three guys, okay? I have the three guys. I will show the student in the classroom, the three guys, okay? First thing that I'm going to copy this. Then I'm going to create some slides, okay? Okay, now I would like to make the hyperlink for this. Now in the slide number 2, I will just talk about, okay, this one. And this one, we will delete this one. So in the slide number 2, I will talk about just Michael. Okay? So when you come to the first slide, you want to go to the Michael, because the Michael, I will talk about his information, his name, everything in the second slide. How can I make hyperlink? If you come here, you see the cross? And you click right, and you say hyperlink, and you come here, you say place in this document. Okay, and the Michael, which slide is talking about Michael? Slide 2. 2. So we will click 2, and you will see, okay. When I click here, you see Majid?
Yeah.
It takes me to the slide 2. Slide 2 will have the information about Michael. Okay, again. Okay, for example, slide 3, I will talk about, not Michael now, I will talk about who? I will talk about Oprah. Okay? I will talk about Oprah. If the student come to this slide and he wants to go to Oprah slide, how can I make the student talk to the Oprah slide? I will come here, you see Muhammad? And I will click right, I will say hyperlink. We call it in Arabic ارتباط تشعبي. تمام? Hyperlink. Then I click here. Oprah, which slide talks about Oprah? 3. Excellent. So I will come to slide 3, then I will say okay. Then when I show it here, when you click here, it takes you to slide 3. And you have to write more information, much information, the slide 3. This is Oprah, her name is blah, he was born in blah, 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 blah. So you will talk about so many information. Okay, if the student wants to, okay, let's go this slide, the 4th one, it talks just about Akon, okay? So if the student come to the first slide and we come here, make sure you see the cross. You click right, you say hyperlink. And which slide is talking about now? Akon. 4. Excellent. So you will click 4, you will say okay. When you slide the show, it takes you to the 4. Takes you to the 4. That we didn't delete this. We do. Okay, let's delete this. Okay, let's see this. So 4 talk about just about Akon. So if I come here and I click here, I came to Akon, it takes me to the slide 4. Just talking about Akon. Okay, I think it's useful information that if you wanna hyperlink something. What about if I wanna add other things? If I want to add just, let's say, let me go to here let's go to the Microsoft Word. And let's go to YouTube. Okay, this is YouTube. If here I go to 50 Cent. Have you heard about 50 Cent, guys?
Yeah. He is black.
You know, he got shot 7 times, but he didn't die. You know, Brother Abdullah? He got shot 7 times, but he didn't die. You know? So this is, yeah, he's a famous singer in America. They call it 50 Cent. Okay, if I want to use this song in my slide, in the PowerPoint, what should I do here? How can I get the link? Where is the link? Yeah, where is the link for this slide?
The top. On the top one, at the
Here?
yes.
Okay, so I will come here, then I will say copy. Then I will go to my PowerPoint, then I will go to slide, for example, slide 5. I delete this. I delete this, for example. Delete this. Okay, let's. Okay, then paste. This is the link that I have now. If you show the slide and you click on the link, it takes you to where?
To
You click the link now.
website.
You see? It takes you to the song that you need or anything you want to show. So if I want to show the student this YouTube, I can show them. I can show them this YouTube. You see? So it takes me to this link. So this is how to link anything in the PowerPoint. You see? This is a great thing. Great thing. People who are studying English now, if the OB asks you to present something and you wanna add a video, something like that, just copy the link from the YouTube, then paste it here. Then you can show the teacher or the student in the classroom whatever you have from the PowerPoint. Then I think the last thing. Yeah, this is talk about there are 2 ways to start the PowerPoint, just like tutorial, like I showed you in the beginning. New Microsoft, like I showed, yeah, this is talk about the presentation, use it to the presentation, just showing just some picture of the PowerPoint. And also here, if I come here, I still have, okay, the first day, yes, okay, and this one. And this is the tutorial that I showed you already. And yeah, I think this is actually what I want to maybe to add to your information, to talk about the PowerPoint or how to use the PowerPoint in the classroom. So this is, I think, most important thing to how to highlight something. Also, there is one student asked me when I come to present the PowerPoint here, and I want to make this bigger. How can I make this writing bigger? It looks small, guys. How can I make it bigger? Any answer? Okay.
You can click on circle.
Okay. Here you mean?
Yeah.
No, to wait the right.